Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to change line spacing in LibreOffice Writer. So we have a placeholder text here. So if you want to increase the spacing between these lines, you have to select the line. Let's say like we want to increase the line spacing here. Go to here and click the sidebar settings and then select properties. After that, you'll be able to see some spacing options here. So what you have to select is this one, set line spacing. And here they have some spacing 1 option, 1.15, 1.52, and also you can do custom value. So let's say we want to do 1.15. You'll see that increased. Let's do 2. It is increased more. And there are a couple of other options. You can try them, but this is the simplest one to change the line spacing in LibreOffice Writer. Now that we have helped you, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.